In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Ads to Google Analytics 4, often referred to as GA4. This is an essential step for anyone looking to optimize their advertising strategy using data-driven insights from both platforms. By the end of this video, you'll have a seamless connection between Google Ads and GA4, allowing you to gain deeper insights into your campaign performance and user behavior. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. Once there, make sure you're signed into your Google account. From here, you should see your Google Ads dashboard. This is the control center for all your campaigns and where we'll start linking to GA4. Next, take a glance at the top navigation bar. You're going to hover over the tools icon, which looks like a wrench. By doing this, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you access to a variety of options to manage your Google Ads account. From this drop-down, you'll want to look for and click on Data Manager. The Data Manager is your gateway to managing data integrations, and it makes the linking process much more manageable. After clicking Data Manager, you'll be directed to another section of the site. Here, you're going to search for the option labeled Google Analytics, GA4, and Firebase. Click on that and you'll be presented with the available properties you can link to. This integration is crucial because it synchronizes your ad data with your analytics data, providing you with a holistic view of performance metrics. Now select the Google Analytics or Firebase property you intend to link. This is a significant step as it determines the data flow from ads to analytics. By doing so, you're telling Google Ads where to send the data, so make sure you choose the correct property from the list. If you don't see your property immediately, ensure you're using the correct account and have the necessary permissions to access it. Once you've selected your property, you'll proceed to the settings configuration. This part involves specifying the details of how the data will be shared and any specific configurations you wish to implement. Double check your selections to make sure everything aligns with your tracking and reporting needs. Finally, submit your changes. It's crucial to review all previous steps and ensure that everything is set up correctly. Once submitted, your Google Ads and GA4 accounts will begin syncing, allowing data exchange to commence. Keep in mind that it might take some time for data to start flowing between the accounts, but once it does, you'll be able to harness robust reports that can dramatically impact your advertising strategy. Congratulations, you have successfully linked Google Ads to Google Analytics 4. This integration will empower you with valuable insights, enabling more informed decision making for your campaigns. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching and happy analyzing.